welcome to VChem World. Here we are going to solve example based on the concentration. First example is calculate the molarity of pure water. Density given value is equal to 1 gram per ml. So density value rho is equal to 1 gram per ml. We find out that the molarity. We know that the molarity is equal to the numbers of moles of solute divided by the volume of solution. Consider volume of solution is equal to 1 liter. So mass of 1000 ml of water is equal to rho into V. Because of the rho is equal to m by V. Density multiplied with volume, it gives the mass. The density value 1 and volume value 1000. That gives the 1000 gram of the water. Then find out the moles of solute. Moles of solute, only one given is the pure water. So find out the pure water, that is the moles of solute. N is equal to weight upon molar mass. Molar mass of the H2O is 18. That is the 55.55 mole. Then this value put in this equation. So molarity is equal to 55.55 divided by volume of solution in 1 liter. So its value 1. That gives the 55.55 molar. It means that this much of the mass is dissolved in per liter of solution. Is 25% water, 25% ethanol and 50% acetic acid by mass. Calculate the mole fraction of each component. First we know that in the beaker, the solution present in the solution 25% water, 25% ethanol and 50% acetic acid. So 25, 25 and 50%, total 100%. That means the total mass is 100 gram. In this total mass, out of 100 gram, 25 gram water, 25 gram ethanol and 50 gram acetic acid. So mass of water is equal to 25 gram. Then next, mass of ethanol is equal to 25 gram. And third, mass of acetic acid is equal to 50 gram. So 50, 25 and 25, total 100 gram. Then find out the mole fraction. Find out the mole fraction, we require numbers of moles. So first, numbers of moles. Then moles of water is equal to N is equal to weight upon molar mass. So this weight given 25 and water molar mass is 80. So it gives the value of the moles. Then moles of ethanol. That ethanol 25 divided by 60. And mass of acetic acid is equal to 50 by its molar value is equal to mole. 1.388 moles of ethanol, 0.543 and mass of acetic acid, moles of acetic acid is equal to 0.833. Then we find out the total numbers of moles. So total number of moles is equal to 1.388 plus 0.543 plus 0.833 is equal to 1.3, 0.5, 1.3 and 1.3, 2.6, 2.73 total numbers of moles. Then find out the mole fraction. First find out the mole fraction of the water is equal to the numbers of moles of water, that is the 1.388 divided by 2.73. This is the mole fraction of the H2O. Then find out the mole fraction of the ethanol. Its numbers of mole is 0.543 divided by 2.73. And next is the moles of acetic acid is equal to numbers of moles of acetic acid divided by the total numbers of moles. This gives the each component mole fraction. Calculate the moles of methanol in 5 liter of its 2 molar solution. If the density of the solution is 0.981 kg per liter, molar mass of methanol is equal to 32 gram per mole. given data is the volume is equal to 5 liter, then concentration 2 molar if the density rho is equal to 0.981 kilogram per liter and molar mass M is equal to 32 gram per mole. First we find out that the mass of 5 liter solution, rho into V. Rho value is 0.981 kilogram per liter multiply with 5 liters. Liter cancel out, that gives the 4.905 kilogram. Kilogram converted into gram, so multiplication with 1000, 4905 gram. So that is the mass of 5 liter solution. Then we find out that the mass of 2 molar solution. This gives the molar. Molar means the molality. In the molality, meaning that the numbers of moles of solute dissolved in per kilogram of the solvent. So per kilogram means solvent weight is 1000 gram. This is the solvent. But we find out that the solution value. So in this space solute weight present. So solute weight, how to find out the solute weight? Solute weight is the 2 molar. Means that the 2 multiplied with the 32. Because of the N is equal to W by M. So numbers of moles is equal to 2 upon W and M is the molar mass of the methanol. So this is the 32. 32 into 2, 64 gram. So that solute weight is equal to 64 gram. 1000 plus 64. This gives the 1064 gram. That way we find out that the 1064 gram mass in 2 molar solution. Then 4905 molar mass in which number of solution? So that is 4905 multiplied with 2 divided by the 1064. That gives the numbers of moles of methanol in 5 liter of solution. The mass percentage of aspirin in acetonitrile when 6.5 gram of aspirin is dissolved in 450 gram of acetonitrile. So we find out that the mass percentage. The mass percentage of aspirin, we know that the how to find out the mass percentage. That is the percentage W by W. First is the mass of the solute divided by the total mass of the solution. So in this the mass percentage of aspirin, that the mass of aspirin divided by the mass of aspirin plus mass of acetonitrile. Because of this is the mass of the solution, solvent and solute. Mass of aspirin given value is 6.5 gram, then mass of aspirin 6.5 plus is dissolved in 450. Multiplication with 100 because of the find out in the percentage. So this multiply with 100. 6.5 multiply with 100 and 466.5. That is the value of the mass percentage. Next, a solution of glucose molecular weight 180 in water is labeled as 10% by mass. What would be the molarity and molality of solution? Density value given 1.2 gram per ml. First, what is the meaning of the 10% solution? 10% means 10 gram of glucose dissolved in 100 gram of water. Means 100 gram of water means total solution value is 100 gram. So another meaning we can say that the 10 gram of glucose are dissolved in 90 gram of water. Because of the total value is 100. So 90 gram is solvent and 10 gram is solute. First we find out that the molality. So molality is equal to moles of solute divided by the volume of solvent. Moles of solute. How to find out the moles of solute? So mole is equal to N is equal to weight upon mass. So weight given is the 10 gram. 10 divided by given mass 180. 0 cancel out, 1 by 18, so 0.055. So number of moles is equal to 0.055. 0.055. And volume of solvent. In the definition is the volume of solvent in 1 kilogram. But in this given is the gram. So it's multiplied with 1000. So volume of solvent is 90. Multiply with 1000. That gives the molality. Next we find out that the molarity. Molarity is equal to moles of solute divided by the volume of solution. When volume of solution is ml, so it's multiplied with 1000. Moles of solute given 0.055. 0.055. We find out that the volume of solution. How to find out the volume of solution? In the given data rho. So rho is equal to m by v. V is equal to m by rho. M value is the 100 gram. Total 100 gram. So 100 divided by 1.2. That gives the volume of solution. This volume of solution put in this equation, that is the 83.3 multiplied with 1000. So it gives the answer is the molar. So that way molality and molarity find out.